Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable game mode on your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV. First of all, switch to your gaming device, like gaming console, and once you do that, press the gear button on your remote control to open settings menu, then select the gear icon on your screen to go to all settings, select display and sound section, then go to picture, and in picture we're gonna have to well, first of all, you can change the picture mode to game mode by selecting picture mode and then selecting game, which is the last option on the list. And also go to advanced settings, and here in advanced settings you will see the game mode toggle. So if you want to enable it, switch this toggle to the right and the game mode will be enabled on your TV. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.